Young or old, you love your hair. Hair health plays the deciding role in the styling and personality. Conditions like hair fall, damage, dandruff are a few of the common hair problems faced by all. Earlier hair fall used to be a sign of aging. The ever-rising pollution, hectic lifestyle and never-ending work stress paves way for hair fall way before the above-mentioned reasons are true. There is also another factor that we mostly ignore. Back in the days, women took better care of their hair. We do not have that kind of time anymore. We moved away from natural to chemical treatments looking for those instant results. Instant results is not the right solution for healthy hair. We have seen that with time. It is time to bring back the age-old solutions. Before that, a small brief into the cycle of hair growth. Hair growth cycle. Each strand of our hair goes through 3 stages in its entire life cycle. The anagen stage, a phase when the growth in hair is actually seen. The follicle divides and contributes to the lengthening. The catagen stage, this is more of a transitional phase. Here the hair growth stops and the shaft of the hair is pushed up closer to the surface as the follicle shrinks. The telogen phase, this is the resting phase which lasts for about 2-4 months. Once this phase is over, the hair falls out.